Anders MMG here, and this is 5 built-in add-ons in Blender that you should enable. To enable these Blender add-ons, just open your Preferences, click Add-ons, and search for the name. Then just click the checkbox to enable and disable the add-ons. Okay, so the first add-on we're going to talk about is Loop Tools. It adds this to the right-click menu, which has lots of useful options. The one I use the most is the circle. You can select a bunch of faces, click it, and it'll change them to a circle. This next add-on is called Auto Tile Size. After enabling it, the tile size of your renders and cycles will be optimized for the best performance. This next add-on is called Modifier Tools. It adds these 4 very useful buttons for manipulating your modifiers. This next add-on is called Import Images as Planes. You can select any image from your computer and import it as a plane. The last but not least add-on is called Node Wrangler. It adds many options to working with nodes to make it much easier and faster to do different operations. Alright, that's 5. I hope you found this useful, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.